Hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in and thank you for subscribing. If you haven't done so, consider, because it's all free and you're part of the fun. Right, we're here at Lochore Meadows with my son. We're doing some lure fishing with some soft plastics, and yeah, well, we got a few showers, but it's not that cold. So the wind has died down, but it was quite windy earlier. So, well, you probably see it. I already got a pike, 4 pounds 16 ounces. You probably see the clip now. And yeah, it was the third cast on this spot. What we're doing, we are starting from over there, and so like every few casts, dotting around the island. And yeah, so we came here to this spot. I think it was a bit deeper water, and yeah, I had a third cast here and had a nice pike. Yeah. Yeah, we're just having some fun here. It's Saturday afternoon, and it was my son's idea to come here, and yeah, good idea, my son. Yeah, and I put a picture in us. He actually was holding my pike as well, and he said it felt very good, so he's trying to catch his own now. So yeah, stay tuned and we keep you updated. Hopefully we catch some more. What do you think of the pike?
I have to wait. So
Yeah, we have to weigh it. Lovely, isn't it?
yeah, I guess wait before.
And we'll release it. No, don't release it yet. Let it, let it get its breath.
Okay.
What a beautiful fish. I think he wants to go.
Let's see if I can. Yeah.
Yeah, turn it upside down. Yeah, lift it up, Norbert. There he goes. Beautiful.
And the rain just stopped.
Yeah, I'm just changed to mono because with the braid I had too many wind knots. So this is the type of lures we're using. This is where I caught the pike on. Not on this particular one, but so like a golden glittery one. So yeah, just soft plastic with jig heads on it, and I think they're 3 or 4 hours. Right, my son is still casting over there, fishing away. Nice cast. Okay, super cast. Come on. Oh, it's over there. Nice cast. Oh, well done. Hopefully you get a fish. Lovely afternoon, evening. Right, we finished our session. Did you enjoy yourself?
Yes.
Yeah, we had quite a few casts, but did you get a fish?
I think I had some bites, but
Yeah.
just some small perch.
Yeah, right. Yeah, didn't catch anything else, so we got a lovely pike. 4 pounds and 14 ounces,
16
or 16 ounces, yeah. So yeah, it was a great day. Had a couple of little showers, but look at this, beautiful. Look at the scenery, huh? Isn't that nice? Yeah, beautiful. Lochore Meadows Country Park. Well, we've been here for how many? 3 hours, something like that. And yeah, we thoroughly enjoyed ourselves. We had fun. I lost 2 lures, yeah, 2.
We found one.
Yeah, we found one. So no, it's been an enjoyable afternoon, and there'll be many more sessions here. We'll either be spinning or bait fish or dead fish or whatever fish. And hopefully there's many more pikes to come, and some big perch, and yeah. So thank you for watching, and we see you on the next episode. Bye bye. Say goodbye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Oh, look at the sun coming out. Another view. Lovely, lovely, lovely.